Hey guys, we got a package here. Let's see where it's from. This package is coming from India. Now let's open it up and let's see what's in here. It might be gold, it might be diamonds, it might be watches. Let's find out. So in this package, we got diamonds. Not only we got diamonds, we got the best GIA diamonds. Let's see what we got. First stone is a 260 cushion DVS2. I'm gonna show it to you hand by hand with the certificate. With Diamonds Flash, you're only gonna have the best of the best. Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. Please contact us at Diamonds Flash NYC. Thank you.